In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a customer support tracker in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized way to log customer issues, assign work, and track progress from first report to resolution. Start by opening Airtable and creating a new base. Click Add a Base, choose Start from Scratch, and give it a clear name like Support Tracker or Customer Tickets. Naming matters because it's what your team will see and search for. Inside your new base, rename the default table to tickets, so it's obvious what lives here. Now let's set up the fields that make this useful. Add ticket ID as an auto number so every ticket gets a unique reference. Add customer name as a single line text field and email using the email type, which keeps entries formatted correctly. For issue type, use a single select with options like technical, billing or feedback, and for priority, single select works well with low, medium, high, and urgent. Add a status field as single select with stages such as new, in progress, waiting on customer, resolved and closed. For ownership, add assign to. You can keep it simple with a single select list of team members or link to an existing team table if you already have one. Add a long text field called description for the full issue details. Finally, created date should use the created time type so it fills in automatically. And resolve date can be a standard date field that you fill when a ticket is closed. Quick note, if you need Airtable, I've put the website link and the desktop and mobile download links right at the top of the description so you can get set up and follow along. With fields in place, let's create helpful views. The default grid view is perfect for seeing everything at a glance and doing quick edits. Add a Kanban view grouped by status to visualize work moving from new to closed. It's great for daily stand-ups and spotting bottlenecks. If deadlines or response times matter, create a calendar view to map tickets by due or resolved dates. And if you prefer a visual snapshot per customer or per issue, a gallery view can be a clean, card-based overview. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share and invite your teammates. Set their permission levels to editor if they'll be updating records, or read only if they just need visibility. From there, your team can assign tickets, update statuses, add notes in the description, and mark items resolved in real time. That's it. You now have a streamlined customer support tracker in Airtable that takes tickets from new to closed efficiently. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.